Hello guys, welcome back to Chris Poly channel. This video I want to share about feature to calling your ship if your ship got stuck and teleport to your ship wheel in instant. Okay, before I share about this sailing trick, by the way, now Chris Poly channel have membership option. If you want to support me directly, I will very grateful, and as special thanks, I will put your name on my video, depend on your support level. And we notice for some level, there have some limit, so make sure you didn't get run out for this limited space. And I will put your name on every subsequent video that I release for the duration of your support. And if you want to join my membership to support me directly, you can go to any platform for Patreon, Karya Karsa, and YouTube membership. I already put link for this membership on this video description, or you can check on top right of this video. I already put card for Patreon link. Special thanks to all my membership for direct support via Patreon, Karya Karsa, or YouTube membership. And also my current member, Lots, Zekru, Dubiadut, Lichem, Spartan Guild from NA server, Jimmy Snake, Doki, Transcester, Donut, Aganim Scepter, Lazy Leader, as gold member, and also all my silver and bronze member. Thank you so much for all your direct support. This will make Chris Poly channel running and growing more faster. If you load your ship from your WAF, you will see this icon on top right of your screen in default. But if your user interface didn't show this list of icon, you can press escape and go to edit user interface and make sure you turn on for this mount section. Actually, this icon is icon for your ship, and you can use this calling ship feature by left click or right click using this icon. But usually, I using this calling ship feature using custom key that you can setting by pressing escape and go to setting menu and go to interface setting and go to user interface hotkey and scroll down. You will see on this section calling ship, you can change this button to any suitable key for your own. For my example, I replaced my point button above tab button to replace it as calling ship button. So you don't need to hover your mouse to this calling ship button every time you want to use this feature. Okay, I will show you how to use this calling ship. Actually, to use this calling ship has some different function depend on your distance between your character and your ship. If your character and your ship have distance less than 10 meters, if you left click this icon, as you see, you will grab your ship wheel in instant. But if you have more than 10 meters until 30 meters from your ship like this, as you see, my distance around 20 meters right now. And if I left click this button, I will teleport to this ship wheel. And if I click again, same as before, I will grab this ship wheel. And if you setting this calling ship button on custom key, if you have some distance, you can press multiple times this calling ship button to teleport and grab this ship wheel in instant. And then if your character have some distance around 0 until 10 meters from your ship, if you left click this icon, you will see some message the distance is too great. But if you right click this button, as you see, you just calling your ship to teleport and grab this ship wheel. But if you have distance more than 40 meters from your ship, if you right click this button, you will get some navigation to your ship. So this is the introduction to use this feature to track calling and teleport to your ship. Now I will show you what if your ship stuck like this and you cannot turn your ship or move backward. You just need to get some distance from your ship and make sure you on surface from this water, and then just press this icon or press your button to calling your ship, and you will call your ship and standing on your ship wheel. As you see, my ship just moved from the last stuck position, and we notice when you using this feature, you will not lose your trade or barter item, and also your seller will not get sick, so you can continue your journey or bartering. And another feature, if you on port and you see so many ships stuck each other and you cannot get to your own ship, you can press this calling ship button to go to ship wheel and then just mount to your ship. So this will save your time to get ready to drive your ship. And as you see on this clip, actually this is what I do if I want to drive my ship, and usually I use this feature to get ready on my ship. So I just need to jump into the water near my ship and spamming this calling ship button to mounting my ship and start sailing. But we notice if you want to go to another player ship, you still need to climb it manually. And for another example, if you go to Leraro Island, sometime in this area, our ship got stuck like this. And if your ship got stuck, just unmount your ship and go to the water for some distance. And then just press this calling ship button to call your ship and teleport to its well again. And then continue your bartering. And after you finish bartering at this Leraro Island, you just need to jump to water and then just calling your ship again. But be noticed, this feature have some delay. So just wait until this delay done. And you just need to calling your ship to get out from this island. So this will save your time without need to turning your ship at inside this Lerao island. This feature also work for another ship. As you see, in front of me is my caravel, and I just use this feature. And this is also work for sailboat, frigate, or galeas. And also if you use any kind of Aperia cock, this trick also work. As you see, actually this is Aperia cock that I use. So actually this trick is working for any kind of your ship, even using raft. Okay guys, that's all about feature to calling your ship and teleport to your ship wheel. Hope this trick can be useful for your journey when sailing in Black Desert World. If you like this video, you can like and subscribe to my channel for another guide and update. Thank you for watching. See you next time.